first one to like my photos. She is humble. She's not like my other friends who are rich and busy. Yeah, because she was not employed. She had all the time in the world to go on Facebook and admire my life. And I knew with everything I post, Cindy_Magaboy, uyayithanda, unlike my jealous rich friends. I remember 2 months ago when my husband bought me my second Jeep. I posted it on Facebook. A lot of my friends were jealous. But Cindy_Magaboy, why lie? And I know she could have put love, but ubesebenzisa a BlackBerry. Which doesn't have the love feature. And besizesamenza u-admin we-WhatsApp group yethu ebesixoxa kuyona about our vacations, even though she never went on holiday. She respected and she loved what we were doing. And njoba engasekho kubuhlungu kumina. Ngathi uma ngibona kwipage lakhe kubhaliwe RIP, ngatshela uhusband wami ukuthi I have to be there for Cindy_Magaboy. Wathi uhusband wami, thatha iMercedes yami because it is faster than your Jeep. Njengoba ngilana kubuhlungu kumina, ngithi mndeni kaCindy_Magaboy duduzekani. Uma kuwukuthi uCindy_Magaboy ube nezingane nazo aziduduzeke, it's gonna be hard for me to get as many likes as I used to. Njoba uCindy_Magaboy engasekho. Even though I never got to know her in person, I am happy to be here today. And ngizocela umndeni kaCindy_Magaboy ungivumele ngithathe naye my first and last selfie. And as Black people, we have lost it in social media. We have become all Cindy_Magaboy. As a focus ey'ntweni ezi-right. We are too busy showing off ngezinto ezi-wrong. Kumanje nje you are all tweeting, Facebook, Instagram about the show. And about the people who brought you here. Akekho lo yedwa obongisangoma sakhe samnika umuthi wokuthola indoda emthengeni ithikithi. Akekho lo yedwa othe #MySangoma is the best. Niyazazi phela. Mangathiwa kukhulunywa amawiki nje singabona imigcabo. As Black people, we have become too fake. Ufika niphostile kuma-social media, nibhalile, mina, I love sushi. Fuck that. Akekho umuntu omnyama othanda usushi. Ngeke kukhule nepapa, nethumbu. as people. That's why ngahluleka ukuhlala eJoburg. Too many fake people. I don't know what it is about Joburg, but I blame the mothers. Bayahluleka ukufundisa izingane. Lesson number 1. I-bleach eyokulila i-toilet ngethubusi. Omama batshela iy'ngane zabo, ngabe sinayo umshoza minaji. Which is worrying, because mina mengibuka umshoza ngithi ubungadingi ukushintsha ubuso, ubudinga ukushintsha ikhekhe. Ubuso base-America bekufanele ufune ikhekhe lakaNongoma. If you just had 100% Indian hair. No, I put 100% Indian hair. It's made in China. And mina as Umzulu who grew up at Durban, capital city of India. Their houses. Our black women buy show off on Facebook. I never leave my house without wearing a matching underwear. Minantoga Hugo Boss from head to toe. How about we start showing off Uguti Mina? My children have matching daddies. From firstborn to lastborn. I remember when my firstborn now 5. Mina nibo nileke ya mingane la. Ela mi keke kipu cream. Mina, I was brought up by a very strong Christian man. Mina ugogo wami bekholelwa eqinisweni. From ngimngaka wangitshela wathi you must make sure you never ever marry a man without a professional job. Because the best time to have sex is when your husband is away on a business trip. Your marriage like a workshop. He works in shop. Khona abanye nje abazodliwa namhlanje ngo-150. I love myself. sinezinto ezinkulu bese niyakodokotela banitshela ukuthi we need i-botox. We don't need that. When if you look at me properly, my breasts are not the same size. And I love that. And I use it to my advantage. Because it means I can fuck men who love small breasts. And I can fuck men who love big breasts. Uthanda amakhulu, uzalela ngaka-right. Uthanda amancane, uzalela ngaka-left. And ladies, the one thing you have to know about our men, abanandaba, ibele ibele. Ngisho selima-stripes. Ngisho seliluze ngathi drip enganamanzi. Umfike selunkonkoshela ibeluze ithi hawu. Kodwa khansela. Ukuba nentuthuko uyithenga kanebele. Ngoba akekho umuntu osahlupheka eSouth Africa. But as women, we don't take advantage of who we are. Tina, we defend lezi zinja lezi. We all have that one friend who dates anything and a date of birth. And uyamazi umngani wakho umejola nendodeni. First thing I show you ukuthi ave nice. And once umuntu basho njalo, ngiyazi ukuthi ngizobona iholo. And if you do not have that friend, it's because you are that friend. Mina nomngani wami ojola noma yini. Umbuzo uthi hawu kodwa Chobo, le ndoda enamadle bashile uzoyenza njani? Athi ukuthi angathandi nje amadoda anamadle ngibathanda iy'ndaba. Akufikele nendoda enamazinyo ukuthi manje u-CD player athi musukujaja Thenjiwe sonke sazalwa singanamazinyo. That is why in 2016 we must change how things are done. Number one, when it comes to lobol, fat men must pay double. Asisalelwanga uzothwala ama-truck. And fat men must stop asking us for privileges that we reserve for men with six-pack. Can you imagine having to give ukhulubuse a blowjob? Fanele ufake i-helmet ukuthi ungalimali. And for those of you who do not know who ukhulubuse is, if ukhulubuse was here tonight, he would be sitting next to all of us. Ukhulubuse is the only man with Guinness Book of Records in South Africa because he was born on the 1st, 2nd and 3rd of May. Masafuna ukukhokha njengabafana abajimayo, ungazodlalwa ngathi. And labafana laba, they will never respect us until we tell them iy'nkinga zabo. I recently went to England and kunale app ekuthiwa a trip advisor. Ungena kuyona, ubheke ihhotela, kushiwe 4-star, lihle, ama-room ayanuka, or lihle but umbheda ayikho comfortable. If as women singaphuma ne-app ekuzoba i-dick advisor. It's 2016. Get yourself a vibrator. Any vibrator shine and king. You choose your own size. You choose your own color. Whatever you been back then, you never ask this man to come out get that like push the parade. Am I choosing 6 pairs or 6 cars? So, uma sesinibhangile suke sibalansisa izinto. And indaba yokufeba ifikanga nathi. Indaba endala. Ngabe oma bethu bebengalali noba semajalidini ngaba bekho Trevor Noah. It's not my fault. I blame Abelungu. They brought us education. And Minage, as someone who's educated, according to my chemistry teacher, alcohol is the solution. And as black people, we must stop judging each other. I was scared. See, with Banky, it's going to be swarty people, they might not understand me. Yeah, this thing, again. Yes, in Kulege, Mangfiga like parking lots. Ibonites. Ukuthi jump amthakathi yazi ayakhona kaMazulu la kwezinezi thina ezamaZulu sinolaka yonke into from our songs shwinomuntu ekhaya uzongenzani pasopha and in amaZulu even when you tell us something positive sinele response yethu ukuthi samaZulu sinegazi la Shaka Zulu. Ngafika la kumaZulu ngithi hawu uzwile ukuthi uzama uthenge iBM yomnuko. Yini iBM? Uthi awimoto. Imoto enjani? Utekisi. Cha imoto nje encane kodwa enhle ebizayo. Anginandaba na BM yakhe mina ngamshaya. Ngamshaya na iBM yakhe. Futhi ngifuna ukumshaya ngihamba ngetekisi. Ngibona ukuthi izomenzelani le BM. And that's just how we are. And you must just accept us as we are. And we are honest. Mina, that's why ingane yami I sent him to school in England. find it difficult to lie to my child. Like when he starts telling me, Uti, mommy, I don't want to go to school anymore. What do I say? If you stop going to school,